Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install CentOS on a Windows machine. First thing you need to do is to download VMware Workstation Player. This will let us run our virtual machine on a Windows system. Don't worry about copying down the link, I'll post it at the bottom of the video. So when you're on the website, go ahead and click the Download Now button at the top right corner. Now we got two options, one for Windows and one for Linux. We're going to go ahead and click Windows. This is about a 1 gig file, so it shouldn't take too long to download it. So when that's done, go ahead and open the file and go ahead and install the software. This is a 1 gig file, so it might take a little bit for it to come up. I like to change my destination here because I like to install everything in my second hard drive. It's a little bigger. Okay, so up here just hit skip for a non-commercial use. And I'm gonna go ahead and reboot my system. So the last thing you need to download is the actual CentOS ISO image itself. And I'm gonna choose minimal ISO here because I don't want all those extra packages. And if I need something, I'll just install the packages myself using the yum command. When that's done, you don't need to open it. Go ahead and open up your Workstation player that you installed earlier. Go ahead and click Create New Virtual Machine and select your CentOS ISO image. Choose whatever name you want, and once again up here I'm going to change my hard drives, but you probably will not have to do that. Okay, the disk size, you can choose whatever you want. They recommend 20. That's probably good. I usually like to do 50 or 60 just because I got a pretty big size hard drive. Okay, the hardware. For memory, you can live with 1 gig. That's plenty for Linux. I usually go to 2 just because I get a lot of RAM on this machine. Processors, you can leave it at 1, you can go to 2. That's basically up to you. So now you just need to hit install CentOS 7. The mouse will probably not work yet, so you will have to use keyboard. Choose your language, and now I don't see begin installation button lit up, so that means I need to change something. Looks like it's installation destination. Just need to make sure your disk is selected. Okay, begin installation button is blue, so we are good to go. Now you can set your root password and another user if you want to create another user here now, or you can do it later. Totally up to you. Now I'm going to go ahead and create the password for root. Localhost login, I only created root, so I'm going to put root, put the root's password I just created, and hit enter. And basically that is it. Now you have CentOS on your Windows client. Thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully I made this as simple as possible.